right, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Apple AirTag. This is mine. It's got my initials on it. And when you get this, you're thinking you got to pry it off, but don't do that, all right? What you're going to do is you're going to hold your AirTag in your first two fingers, take your thumbs and apply a little bit of gentle pressure on it, and then you're going to turn it counterclockwise, and it'll just pop right off. And if you look, you're going to see there's three little legs with little grooves in them right there on the top. You see those? And if you look on here, you'll see three little areas where they go in and lock it down. So you just got to get this one out of here. And if you look, so they slide in right there and then they lock right on this little piece right here. All three of them, you see that? Little piece there. And if you look on here, you can see there's a little channel there that kind of slides into that and locks it. You know what I mean, jelly beans? All right, so here's our brand new battery. And this is an Energizer. It's a CR2032. You want to put it face up. That's the back with all those little perforations. And you're going to slide it right in there like that. Okay? And then what you got to do is you got to try to match up these little legs with those little spots, right? Those three spots. So you got to kind of look, try to get it even, and then smush it down. You're going to hear that beep, and that tells you your battery's good. And now what you got to do is you got to turn it clockwise. So you just kind of go this way. And it doesn't go that far. It just goes like maybe a 2/8 of an inch, or a quarter, not even a quarter inch. But there, bam, now we're there. Now it should be discoverable. Let's see if it is. To find this on your iPhone, you're going to go to Find a Friend thing, that little green thing right there. Click on it. I've already got it open to Items. If you look on the bottom, you got People, I'm not going to show you. Devices, I'm not going to show you. But Items, I'm going to show you. And then if you look up here, it's going to show the different items that you've got. And I call this Tom's backpack because I put it in my backpack when I'm traveling so I can find it when people steal it. It's got this address here, but I'm going to wipe that address out. And when I click it, it just basically shows me where I'm at. Okay? And so it's showing me that I'm right here. Yeah, so that's it. Play sound. Here we go. Look at that. All right, we can stop it. So I can add a person too. Look, so I can add a person, share this AirTag, notifications, lost mode. I can enable the lost mode, notify when found, find my lock, leave a message. All right, we won't do that right now. Rename the item, you know, if you wanted to change the name of the item. Let's say if we wanted to rename it. Then I could go in here and I could change it to Tom's camera, Tom's handbag, headphone jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, custom name. So now I can put whatever name I want in there, but I think I'm just going to leave it backpack for now. Done. And bam, that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.